How to download and play Counter-Strike 1.6 on PC for free. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can download the Counter-Strike 1.6 on PC for free or not. So to find out that, let's get started. Counter-Strike 1.6 is a classic game, and while it is no longer officially free, there are ways to get it illegally. So unfortunately, you will not get the Counter-Strike 1.6 for free. Rather, you can get it through a legal process. So here is how you can do it. So for that, open up a browser and in the search bar, search for Steam. So you have to you can download and install the Counter-Strike from this Steam. Click on Welcome to Steam. And once you go to the official web page, there at the top right, there you will have this button as Install Steam. So you have to install this Steam in your laptop. Once the installation is complete, now open up the Steam application in your device. So once you have opened up Steam, now if you don't have an account yet, create an account and then log in, or if you already have an existing account, you can simply log in with your account. So once you're logged in, click on the search bar and now here search for Counter-Strike. So there you will have all the Counter-Strike. So you can purchase it, which is often available on some discounted price, sometimes under the $5, as you can see right here. So you have to get or purchase it from Steam by paying some amount of money through the legal process, since you don't have since the Counter-Strike is not available for free. Download and install it via Steam client and then you can play Counter-Strike in your laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.